This study presents long-term trends and determinants of female orgasm in Finland. The aim is to analyze the roles of factors such as personal importance of orgasm, sexual desire, masturbation, clitoral and vaginal stimulation, sexual self-esteem. Have we ever heard about that? Sexual self-esteem, communication with partner, and partner's sexual techniques. Here's the results. Contrary to expectations, women did not have orgasms that are more frequent by increasing their experience or practice of masturbation or by experimenting with different partners in their lifetime. I find that kind of interesting because I would say that for me, the experimenting part definitely played an important role. The keys to their more frequent orgasms lay in mental and relationship factors. These factors and capacities include orgasm importance, sexual desire, sexual self-esteem, and openness of sexual communication with partners. Women valued their partner's orgasm more than their own. And I mentioned that earlier. We saw that in the 1950s or 1970s research. In addition, positive determinants were the ability to concentrate. And we know that from hypnosis, concentration is something that happens when women are hypnotized. They have an ability to concentrate. Same with meditation. Mutual sexual initiations and a partner's good sexual techniques, a relationship that felt good and worked well emotionally, and where sex was approached openly and appreciatively promoted orgasms. And the conclusion is even more, I want to say, pretty powerful. The findings indicate that women differ greatly from one another in terms of their tendency and capacity to experience orgasm. The improvements in gender equality and sexual education since the 1970s have not helped women become more orgasmic. Neither has the major increase in masturbation habits among women in general. One challenge, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. One challenge for future studies is to understand why women value their partner's orgasm more than their own. Why do you think that is?